Welcome back to the channel that dives into the thrilling world of heavy equipment machines, where power meets precision. Meet the Cassella AT7, your new ally in delivering materials to the hardest-to-reach places. This ingenious off-road slinger with four-wheel drive and remote control is designed to work in environments where traditional vehicles are powerless. The Cassella AT7 fits even in a space only 12 feet wide. Looking for a reliable solution for working in tight spaces or in difficult soils? The Bomag BMP 8500 compactor is designed for just such applications. This powerful machine ensures safe and clean soil compaction, even in areas with a high risk of tipping over, from trench and sewer construction to landfill and foundation construction. The Bomag BMP 8500 is up to every task. Meet the Hemos 1600 ST, your new ally in the fight to keep your ditches clean. This cleaner turns the chore into a breeze, using the power of water to clear vegetation and specialized stone rollers to prevent stagnant water. The ability to choose the number of rollers allows you to fine-tune the machine to fit any requirement. When was the last time your grain production got a real boost? The Farmet Falcon 6 Pro represents a technological breakthrough that will take your farming to the next level. This versatile combine can do everything from sowing cereals and oil seeds to precise fertilizer application, all with minimal impact on the soil. And this is what the large tree planting machines of the model range from PL50 to PL90 from the DAM.com program look like. All these machines are equipped with a heavy and high-quality digging element that is ideal for planting trees, fruit trees, shrubs, and large conifers. The PL75 and PL90 machine types can be equipped with a lifting mask for planting clumps up to 2.95 feet in diameter. Meet the RoadPrinter, an engineering marvel that turns road building into an art form. This master of asphalt can create pavements from 13.1 to 19.7 feet long and up to 19.7 feet wide in one go. Customize the paving with easy from 3.3 to 19.7 feet. RoadPrinter plays by your rules, adding precision to every curve. And please keep in mind the Lelt 75 tray that smooths asphalt to perfection like a magic pencil. Forget traditional cleaning methods and get acquainted with a new leaf. Vacuum, your new best fall helper, mounted on a Titan chassis. This innovative unit can be operated by one person, making cleaning not only efficient, but surprisingly easy. The self-contained unit is capable of handling large amounts of debris with ease, making it the perfect solution for fall cleanup near residences. The Hemos 593R Cobra is your ideal choice for large-scale branch-jumping jobs up to 22 inches, with an automatic transmission optimized for continuous forward motion. This machine guarantees driving comfort and efficiency. CornExt offers a solution for extending the shelf life of green fodder, which the experts have perfected after extensive research and tests on the preparation of baled silage from corn. This machine, for example, has patented technology and the lowest silage baling costs. The technique can produce 110-pound bales, which are the most convenient to handle and use due to their shape. The machine operates at an exceptional compaction speed, which results in the highest quality silage. Meet the Ranch Works XXX, a unit that will make your fields dance with joy. This 3-section beauty doesn't just work the soil, it's in love with it, caring for every square meter with truly surgical precision. With the Ranch Works XXX, you can forget about weeds and poorly prepared fields because it's equipped with everything needed for aeration, weed destruction, and soil preparation, and all this with minimal compaction. Introducing the SMC 812 CCL, a next-generation crane that doesn't just perform lifting tasks, it takes them to a whole new level with a comfortable operator cabin. This crane ensures safety and visibility like you've never seen before, lifting everything from steel beams to heavy wooden logs. This machine clearly demonstrates that power and precision can go hand in hand, and it can't be any other way. Wandering tomatoes can be a spectacle too. If you have a Cassella PLMP 150 to 480 irrigator, it's not just a hose reel, but a real technological powerhouse with an integrated motor pump that helps you achieve an average yield of 130 tons per hectare. And how does it look in action? It looks great. No wonder watering tomatoes can be a real spectacle with this equipment. Taking care of the trees in your garden is a prerequisite for their growth, support, and full development. The Rivullet's tree trimmer is precisely designed for cutting down tree plantations and pruning fruit orchards. This tractor-mounted pruner can be easily coupled with a tractor because it's powered by an independent hydraulic system. In addition, for efficiency, the machine is equipped with a tachometer for cell revolutions and therefore signals the operator if the cell revolutions are insufficient. Construction of fences is truly billion-dollar industry, and the demand for it is constantly growing. If you want to gain a significant advantage in this work over other companies, then, in the competitive struggle, you can't do without the E-Mini skid steer. Thanks to this machine, you can drill perfect holes for posts, as well as mix and pour cement with the same auger attachment. I believe the developers have achieved exceptional efficiency with this equipment. The Terramac RT14R crawler carrier is a versatile and robust machine designed for a wide range of heavy-duty applications in challenging terrains. It features a rugged crawler undercarriage that enables it to traverse difficult terrains with ease. The durable trucks provide excellent traction and stability, allowing the machine to operate in muddy, rocky, or uneven surfaces. This makes it well suited for industries such as construction, mining, forestry, and oil and gas, where accessing remote or challenging locations isn't necessary. The Carbon Bite CBM 3000 is the best option for testing rock formations in the most challenging and unpredictable conditions. The main feature of this machine is the presence of a hydraulic drive engine with 2 speeds: low for deep soil loosening and high for efficient mulching, to protect and enhance its properties. That's all the amazing machines I have for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. See you next time.